1000 lb sisters Chris Combs working side job to pay for wife's weight loss surgery. Fans of 1000 lb sisters have long admired Chris Combs for his down-to-earth personality, his strong family values, and his unwavering support for his sisters Amy and Tammy Slayton. But now, Chris himself is making headlines, not for his usual role as the voice of reason on the show, but for his own personal sacrifices as he reportedly picks up a side job to support his wife's health journey. While the show has mostly centered around the struggles and triumphs of the Slayton sisters, Chris has slowly become a fan favorite in his own right, and this latest chapter in his story is shedding light on both his resilience and the challenges that come with caring for a loved one battling obesity. Chris, who joined the show as a supporting character but quickly became central to its heart and humor, has always been candid about his own weight loss goals. Viewer watched him undergo bariatric surgery and dedicate himself to a healthier lifestyle not just for his own benefit, but to inspire his family and protect his future. However, few anticipated that his next big emotional journey would center on his wife Brittany Combs, who has largely stayed out of the limelight. Now, with rumors swirling that Brittany is preparing for her own weight loss surgery, fans are eager to know more, not just about her progress, but about how Chris is stepping up behind the scenes to make it all possible. According to a close source connected to the show's production team, Chris has recently started working a second job, reportedly in maintenance or delivery, to help cover medical expenses that are not full while taken care of by insurance or the show's network. While bariatric surgery can be a life-saving procedure, it's no secret that it's also expensive, especially when factoring in pre-op requirements, consultations, post-op care, nutritional follow-ups, and sometimes long-term therapy or personal training. The insider explained that while Chris and Brittany receive some assistance due to their ties to TLC, many costs still fall on their shoulders, particularly if Brittany's surgery is being done outside of the official storyline or not sponsored by the show. Chris has yet to confirm or deny these rumors publicly, but fans have noticed recent changes in his social media activity. He has shared less content in recent weeks, leading many to speculate that he is simply too busy juggling work and family obligations. When he does post, it's often inspirational or health-related, with occasional references to doing what needs to be done and grinding for the people you love. These cryptic captions, though vague, have fueled speculation that he's taken on more responsibilities to ensure his wife gets the care he needs. While Chris has always prided himself on being a provider, this new level of dedication is proving just how far he's willing to go for love. It's worth noting that weight loss surgery isn't just a financial commitment, it's an emotional and psychological one too. Sources close to the couple have revealed that Brittany has been nervous about the procedure, unsure if she'll be able to handle the drastic lifestyle changes that come with it. Chris, in turn, has reportedly been her rock throughout the process, attending doctor's visits with her, helping her meal prep, and offering daily encouragement. He's really stepped up in every way, the source said. You can see how much he loves her. He wants her to succeed, and he's willing to put in the hard work with her, not just cheer from the sidelines. This kind of solidarity is something long-time viewers have come to expect from Chris. On 1000 lb Sisters, he's often seen cooking healthy meals, holding his sisters accountable, and using his signature wit to lighten tense moments. His journey with weight loss was not without setbacks, but he's been open about how much better his life is now, and how he hopes others, including his wife, can experience the same transformation. In earlier seasons, Chris talked about how losing weight gave him more energy, fewer health issues, and the ability to be more active with his family. Now, he reportedly wants that same future for Brittany. Of course, the public nature of the Slayton family's life means that even the most personal decisions are subject to online debate. Some fans have questioned whether Brittany's weight loss surgery should be featured on the show, while others have criticized TLC for not doing more to support the extended family. Still, most fans have rallied around Chris and Brittany, praising their courage and determination. Reddit threads and Facebook fan groups have lit up with messages of support, with many people sharing their own stories of working multiple jobs to afford surgery or making sacrifices for loved ones' health. Chris is doing what any good husband would do, one commenter wrote. He's not rich, but he's rich in loyalty. TLC has not issued any official statement regarding Brittany's surgery or whether it will be documented in an upcoming season. However, given the popularity of Chris's storyline and the audience's emotional investment in the family's journey, it's possible that producers may include it in some form, if Brittany is comfortable with that level of exposure. In previous interviews, Chris has stated that he respects his wife's privacy and would never pressure her to appear on camera if she didn't want to. That said, fans would no doubt love to see her side of the story, especially if it showcases the same raw honesty and resilience that the show is known for. Behind all the drama and humor that 1000 LB Sisters delivers, what continues to shine through is the strength of familial bonds and the real-life struggles of people trying to better themselves. Chris Combs may have started as a supporting character, but he's become an emblem of quiet determination. His decision to take on a second job, not for material gain, but to support his wife's life-changing procedure, underscores the sacrifices that often go unseen. In a world where reality TV often prioritizes shock value, Chris reminds us what true reality looks like: long hours, hard choices, and putting your loved ones first. There's also something incredibly human about Chris's journey. He's not a celebrity with endless resources. He's not immune to the pressures of health, finances, or aging. And yet, he chooses to confront those pressures head-on, not for fame, but for family. If the rumors are true, and Chris is indeed working extra hours to fund Brittany's surgery, it sends a powerful message about love, sacrifice, and what it means to show up when it matters most. Whether or not this story becomes a central arc in future episodes, it's already etched itself into the hearts of fans who see Chris as more than just comic relief or the nice brother. They see him as a hero in his own right. As for Brittany, very little is known about her current condition, and she has remained out of the spotlight by choice. Friends of the family say she's been focused and determined in preparing for surgery, working closely with doctors and nutritionists to meet the pre-operative requirements. It's not just about weight, a source shared. It's about changing your mindset, your habits, and your relationship with food. Brittany is really putting in the work, and Chris is right there with her every step of the way. Looking ahead, fans are eager to see how this journey unfolds, not just for Brittany's sake, but for what it means for the entire Combs-Slayton family. With Amy navigating single motherhood, Tammy embracing her own post-surgery glow-up, and now Chris stepping into a caregiver role for his wife, the family continues to evolve in deeply personal and inspiring ways. The show has always thrived on its mix of humor, heartache, and hope, and this latest chapter could bring all three in equal measure. No matter what the future holds, one thing is certain: Chris Combs embodies the spirit of perseverance. Whether he's encouraging his sisters, standing by his wife, or grinding away at an extra job to make ends meet, he does it with humility and heart. And in a reality TV landscape often filled with chaos and controversy, that kind of quiet heroism is something worth celebrating. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.